Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to find lock orientation icon and click on it. If it's blue, that means that auto rotation is disabled. You can enable it by tapping on the same icon. You can also go into settings, scroll down a bit and tap on display. Then scroll down again and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is off. You can turn it back on by tapping on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!